When it comes to the energy transition, the role of the building sector is often underestimated. About 35% of all CO2 emissions are coming from this side of the house. However, a carbon-neutral building sector is possible. And this is actually where Techem comes in. We are a leading digital provider of energy services to the building sector. Our company is nearly 70 years old. So we've been growing up collecting data about energy consumption for many, many decades. All of this has turned into a digital process today. And that enables us to include many more services, whether we provide the central heating services, whether we provide e-mobility services, or whether we provide PV and solar on the roof.
Digital measurement creates awareness of one's own energy consumption. And this is the basis to adjust behavior and operate buildings in a more climate-friendly way, which is why sustainability and measurability go hand in hand.
Techem's range of services covers the entire value chain, from efficient and regenerative energy supply solutions to the visualization and billing of consumption in properties. In addition, we offer intelligent solutions for monitoring and the optimization of heating systems for property owners, managers and users, powered by our digital infrastructure.
As the advisory board, we support Techem's management in investing in the future. Techem stands for smart technological solutions for the most efficient supply of heat, water and electricity. With them, we improve the CO2 footprint of a property. At the same time, we relieve the burden on the wallet of the residents. A clear win-win situation for our customers and the climate.
During the last couple of years, we have built and rolled out a digital infrastructure which does not only allow a more regular and remote reading and visualization of consumptions, but many more sophisticated use cases. For example, we are using this digital infrastructure to improve the energy efficiency in apartment buildings and commercial properties, from the boiler room to the top floors. Consumption-intensive supply projects, such as residential, commercial and holiday complexes, like the Center Park Allgäu, are under pressure to achieve different goals: greater energy efficiency, sustainability, maximum comfort, while at the same time ensuring solid profitability. Techem accompanied both projects from the very beginning and thus create a demand-oriented and efficient energy supply through intelligent installation engineering and system control.
With our business model, we actually already do contribute to climate protection. About 8.2 million tons of CO2 are being saved per year, and we continue on that path.
Techem not only wants to support its customers in sustainable housing management, but also to act sustainably as a company. It has set itself the goal of developing a climate roadmap to climate neutrality. In the course of this, there are a number of projects, all of which aim to reduce the carbon footprint.
Social commitment is very important to us, which is why we want to strengthen it even more in the future. To do so, we actively encourage our employees to participate in social projects. And this is why we are currently developing an internal volunteering program. We have also set ourselves the aim to design a social project to promote resource conservation and test it as a pilot project starting in 2022.
I believe that our role at Techem, as part of the UN Global Compact, is to help shaking up the industry, to start the transition and to provide a better means of living in future in buildings. But even we as a market leader, we cannot walk it alone. We need an ecosystem, we need partners, and thus we opened our data infrastructure for property technology companies and startups to really help us innovate. And the sector is coming and moving together. Electricity metering is joining, sub-metering is joining the other areas. Thus, I believe good research, best devices, and a real purpose in the company to drive that change towards sustainability is of the essence.